We need 8 eggs. First, separate the yolks from the whites. Add 2 tablespoons of homemade rum to the yolks. 200 milliliters of milk. 300 grams of sugar. (180 grams of flour). Mix well. Mix well. Add 100 grams of sugar and 20 grams of vanilla sugar slowly while mixing the egg whites. Boil 1,200 milliliters of milk. Nine egg whites. Mix until thick. Gradually add sugar while mixing. Wait for the milk to boil. Slowly add the yolk mixture and stirred continuously for 10 minutes. Mix well so that no lumps remain. Slowly add the hot mixture to the egg whites and stir constantly. It's best if someone helps you. It is best to do this within 1 minute. Put the baked drawn dough on the bottom of the baking tin. Apply the whole mixture on it. Flatten and wait for it to cool. Bring 250 milliliters of cream to a boil. Do not add milk. (300 grams chocolate). (100 grams chocolate powder). Stir until everything is dissolved. Wait for it to cool a bit and pour over. Dot and refrigerate overnight. 10 grams cream fix. 500 milliliters sweetened cream. Stir until it becomes a thick hard. Smooth and apply the baked sliced rolled dough. Finally, sprinkle with powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for notifications of new videos. See you next time. Ciao!